Hi, you must have seen that in different newspapers or books, maybe is used differently, as in कुछ किताबों में कुछ न्यूज़पेपर्स में मे बी का स्पेलिंग होता है MAYBE, बट मे बी को एक साथ क्लब किया जाता है। एंड किसी और सिचुएशन में मे और बी दोनों अलग अलग वर्ड्स होते हैं, वो एक साथ क्लब नहीं किए जाते। सो विच वन ऑफ दीज इज करेक्ट? दोनों में कौन सा करेक्ट है? क्या दोनों ही करेक्ट है या इसमें एक रॉन्ग है या फिर रॉन्गली यूज होता है? So let's learn about these two words in this video. But before going any further into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more quality content videos like this for you in the future. When we use maybe as one word, as in may and be clubbed together, I hope the spelling is visible on the screen. So when we use this maybe, it represents the word perhaps. So it actually means perhaps. For instance, okay, before for instance, let me just say another thing. This maybe represents a possibility of any event taking place or not taking place. Why is that so? Because this maybe is used as an adverb. It functions as an adverb, as in a word which qualifies a verb or an adjective or another adverb. So here, maybe is used as an adverb. It functions as an adverb basically. Now, another interesting thing about this maybe is that you can use it anywhere in the sentence, as in the position of maybe this maybe in any sentence varies. For instance, if I say maybe they will vacate the room tomorrow. So इसका मतलब ये होता है कि शायद वो कल इस रूम को वेकेट कर देंगे, खाली करके चले जाएंगे। तो यहाँ पे एक परहैप्स का सिचुएशन है, यहाँ पे एक पॉसिबिलिटी है, शायद या शायद नहीं। The next example is if I say she thought maybe we could arrange a party. मतलब कि वो सोच रही है कि शायद हम एक पार्टी अरेंज करेंगे। लेकिन यहाँ पे मे बी की पोजिशनिंग आप देखिए, हमने सेंटेंस के बीच में रखा है, सेंटेंस के शुरुआत में या अंत में नहीं है, बीच में है। The third example is if I say this bag belongs to John maybe. यहाँ पे भी there is a possibility कि शायद ये बैग जॉन को बिलोंग करता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमने मे बी को एकदम एंड में यूज किया है। सो दिस इज हाउ द पोजिशनिंग ऑफ मे बी वेरीज फ्रॉम सेंटेंस टू सेंटेंस। नाउ coming to may be, when may is a different word and a separate word and be is a different word and a separate word. I hope the spelling is visible on the screen. This may be is also a representative of a possibility only or uncertainty. But the way we use this maybe or these two words may and be differently is different from the previous maybe. Now there are three situations in which this maybe can be used. But before that, we need to know that in this case, may and be, where may and be are different, we use this group of words as a verb. Now the first situation in which this maybe can be used is when you have a confusion or a dicey situation. By confusion or a dicey situation, I mean to say that you see certain situations in our life, they require an answer either in the form of a yes or a no. But we don't really know whether we want to say yes or not. So there is some amount of possibility that we might say yes later on or no later on. Such kind of situations use may be, this may be, may and be differently. Now, one example, if I say, do you want to eat pizza today? And if I don't know whether I actually want to eat pizza today or not, I can say maybe. This may be, may and be differently. Because I don't want to answer with a yes or a no, so I'll say maybe. If I say, do you think it will rain heavily today? In such a situation, since I do not know exactly whether it is going to rain today or not, I can say maybe. Because there is no absolute answer. I cannot say yes or no. So in such a situation, I can say maybe. Now, coming to the second situation in which this may be can be used is where there is some amount of uncertainty. For instance, if I say that she may be asked to sing at the reception party. Now, there is uncertainty because we do not know that whether she will actually be asked or not. So, since there is some amount of uncertainty, here also we can use may be. Now, the third situation in which may be can be used is where there is a comparison. नो आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट जनरल कंपैरिजन, मतलब कि मैं कोई दो चीजों को ऐसे मतलब ऐसे मोटे मोटे तरीके से मैं कंपेयर नहीं कर रही हूँ. बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट इफ आई से इट मे बी ब्यूटीफुल टू लुक एट बट इट्स कोल्ड, मैं स्नो के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. तो स्नो, बर्फ. अभी क्या है कि मैं अगर ये बोलूं कि हाँ स्नो दिखने में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है बट इट्स कोल्ड, तो यहाँ पे एक कंपैरिजन है कि ऑन वन हैंड आई एम सेइंग दैट स्नो इज ब्यूटीफुल टू लुक एट, बट ऑन द अदर हैंड आई एम सेइंग दैट इट इज कोल्ड ऑल्सो. तो ये जो दो कंपैरिजन आ रहे हैं ना कि यहाँ पे ब्यूटीफुल भी बोला जा रहा है और यहाँ पे उसको कोल्ड भी बोला जा रहा है. सो इन दैट काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन वी से दैट इट मे बी ब्यूटीफुल टू लुक एट बट इट्स कोल्ड. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दैट maybe and may be are used differently, although their meaning is somewhere similar only, but the usage is different. And I hope I could clear your doubt regarding these two words. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more quality content videos like this for you in the future. Thank you.